There are many ways to create designs in Canva, and we've already established in previous videos that even the free version gives you a lot of flexibility. But what I'm about to show you in this video and the next ones is how to take things further by using Canva's AI tools, specifically Magic Studio. These tools can help you design faster, automate tedious tasks, and create stunning visuals with just a few clicks. If you're a beginner, learning how and when to use these features can save you a lot of time while still producing professional results. And if you stay until the end, I'll also share how to access our totally free Canva crash course so you can keep learning more after this. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel. Choose any canvas size that matches your project so you can start working right away. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the Upload section and add any photo you want to use in your design. After adding your image, select it and hover your cursor over the floating toolbar, then click on Edit. This will open a panel on the left side where you'll find Magic Studio, which contains Canva's AI-powered tools. Let's start with the basic ones: Background Remover and Background Generator. These tools focus on editing the foreground and background of your image, and they're some of the easiest features to use. First, the Background Remover. This is one of the quickest tools to access because it has its own button on the floating toolbar. You don't even need to open the editing panel. Once you click it, Canva will automatically remove the background from your image. This works best with clear images, but it can also handle more complex backgrounds as long as the photo is high quality. Next is the Background Generator. When you click on it, a prompt bar will appear where you can describe the background you want. Canva will then generate a new background based on your input. This makes it easy to completely change the setting of your image without needing to manually design anything. You can also combine these two tools by first removing the background and then generating a new one. This gives you full control over how your final design looks while keeping the process fast and simple. Now that you know how to use these basic Magic Studio tools, you can start experimenting with different styles and backgrounds to enhance your designs. And that's it! You've just learned how to use some of the core features inside Canva's Magic Studio to create stunning designs more efficiently. If you want to learn how to use the other tools inside Magic Studio, make sure to check out the rest of the playlist. In the previous video, we talked about Canva's Magic Studio and how tools like Background Remover and Background Generator can help you quickly change or replace the background of an image. And today, we're going to continue exploring Magic Studio by looking at two more powerful tools: Magic Eraser and Magic Grab. These tools are great when you want more control over specific objects inside an image, whether that means removing something completely or isolating it so you can edit it separately. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel, then choose any canvas size that matches your project. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the Upload section and add the photo you want to edit. After placing the image onto your canvas, select it and hover your cursor over the floating toolbar, then click Edit. This will open the editing panel on the left side where you'll find the Magic Studio tools. Let's start with Magic Eraser. This tool allows you to manually remove unwanted parts of an image using a brush. Once you click on Magic Eraser, adjust the brush size and simply paint over the object you want to remove. Canva will automatically erase the selected area and blend it with the surrounding background. This works great for removing distractions like objects, text, or anything that doesn't belong in the photo. Next is Magic Grab. Unlike Magic Eraser, This tool doesn't remove objects from the image. Instead, it lets you grab or isolate an object from the photo and turn it into a separate element. Once you activate Magic Grab, Canva will detect objects in the image and allow you to select the one you want to isolate. After the object is grabbed, you can move it around, resize it, or reposition it anywhere on your canvas, just like a regular design element. This is useful if you want to highlight a subject or rearrange parts of your image. So the main difference between these two tools is simple. Magic Eraser removes objects from an image, while Magic Grab separates objects so you can edit them individually. And that's it. With Magic Eraser and Magic Grab, you can clean up photos, isolate subjects, and gain much more control over your designs directly inside Canva without needing advanced editing software. In the previous video, we talked about Magic Eraser and Magic Grab, two tools inside Canva's Magic Studio that help you remove objects from an image or isolate them so you can edit them separately. In this video, we're going to look at two more powerful features inside Magic Studio: Grab Text and Image to Video. These tools make it easier to extract information from images and even turn static visuals into short, animated videos. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel. Choose any canvas size that matches your project. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the Upload section and add the image you want to work with. After placing your image onto the canvas, select it and hover your cursor over the floating toolbar, then click Edit. This will open the editing panel on the left side where you'll find the Magic Studio tools. Let's start with Grab Text. This feature allows you to extract or capture any text that appears inside an image. Once you select Grab Text, Canva will automatically scan the image and detect any text that it can recognize. After the text is detected, Canva will convert it into editable text that you can place directly onto your canvas. This is extremely useful if you want to reuse text from posters, screenshots, or graphics without having to manually type everything again. Next is the Image to Video feature. This tool lets you turn a static image into a short animated video. When you open Image to Video, you'll see two ways to generate the animation. The first option is the quick method, where you can immediately generate a 3-second video based on the image you selected. Canva will automatically animate the image to create a short visual clip. The second option allows you to add a prompt in the prompt bar located next to it. Here, you can describe how you want the image to animate. Canva will then generate a short video based on your description, giving you more creative control over the final result. Once the video is generated, you can preview it, adjust it, and incorporate it into your design or export it for social media or other projects. And that's it! With Grab Text and Image to Video, Canva makes it easy to pull text directly from images and transform static visuals into short animations, giving you even more creative possibilities inside Magic Studio. In the previous video, we talked about Grab Text and Image to Video, two Magic Studio features that help you extract text from images and turn static visuals into short animations. In this video, we're going to continue exploring Canva's Magic Studio by looking at three more powerful tools: Magic Edit, Magic Expand, and Magic Layers. These tools allow you to modify parts of an image, extend the frame of your photo, and even separate objects into individual elements you can customize. The first thing you want to do is head over to your Canva account and click on Create from the left-hand panel. Choose any canvas size that matches your project. Once your blank canvas is open, go to the Upload section and add the image you want to work with. After placing the image onto your canvas, Select it and hover your cursor over the floating toolbar, then click Edit. This will open the editing panel on the left side where you'll find the Magic Studio tools. Let's start with Magic Edit. This tool allows you to modify either the entire image or a specific part of it using a prompt. One way to use it is by applying a prompt to the whole image if you want to change the overall look or style. Another method is by using the brush feature. Simply brush over the area you want to modify, then type a prompt describing what you want Canva to generate in that selected section. There's also a click feature, which uses Canva's object detection to scan the image and automatically select objects for you. This works similarly to Magic Grab, allowing you to quickly select an object and apply a prompt to modify it. Next is Magic Expand. This feature lets you extend your image beyond its original borders. When you activate Magic Expand, you'll be given several options for how you want to extend the image. You can expand it to fit the entire page, convert it into a square dimension, or use the freeform option to manually control which direction the image should expand. Canva will then generate new visual content to fill the extended area so the image still looks natural. Finally, we have Magic Layers, which is one of Canva's newest features. This tool uses AI to scan your image and detect different objects within it. Once processed, Canva separates those objects into individual elements. After the elements are separated, you can move them around, resize them, recolor them, or reposition them anywhere on your canvas, just like regular design elements. This gives you much more flexibility when editing photos inside Canva. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my video to other people who want to learn Canva in the easiest way. And as promised, if you want to access our totally free Canva crash course, just check out the pinned comment down below. And that's it. With Magic Edit, Magic Expand, and Magic Layers, you can modify parts of your images, extend their dimensions, and even break them down into editable elements. These tools make Canva's Magic Studio incredibly powerful for creating more dynamic and customized designs. Let us know in the comments if you have any suggested topics you want us to cover, and I'll see you on our next video.